Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials and making the space inviting. This reduces stress and makes capture easier. Once ready, limit movement and dim lights so the Chomik calms down. Use a quiet voice and place treats in a predictable trail. You want it to choose the carrier. Make sure to wear thin gloves to protect both of you, and keep exits blocked gently so the hamster moves toward the trap rather than hiding deeper. Once the trail and tack are in place, focus on timing and observation. Stay out of the room or use a camera so your presence doesn't interfere. Patience increases success. Replenish treats only if it pauses. Consistency teaches the Chomik the route. When it enters the carrier, close the entrance gently and cover the container with a light cloth to keep it calm. Make sure ventilation is clear and that the carrier is secure before moving it. You finish by transferring the Chomik to a calm space and letting it settle. Hurried releases cause escapes. Place water and familiar bedding immediately so it recognizes scent cues, and give it an hour undisturbed to explore. If it seems overly stressed, leave a low light on and step away. Troubleshooting. If it refuses food or shows signs of injury, make sure to inspect gently and contact a vet. Early checks prevent complications and make recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.